Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow mug cake and I hope you guys enjoy it, and so let's get right into it. So the tools you'll be needing are 1 cup, 2 half-cup measurements, 1 for sugar and 1 for butter, 1 4 teaspoon, 1 half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon. You'll also need 6 bowls and 6 spoons, 1 for each color of the rainbow. You'll need a large bowl and a hand whisk, or you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer like I'm going to use later on in the video, and a mug. The ingredients you'll be needing are 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need half a cup of pure cane sugar. You'll need half a cup of softened butter at room temperature, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and lastly, you'll need all the colors of the rainbow, and I'll be mixing the red and the yellow to create an orange, and the blue and the pink to create a purple. So first you're gonna add in your sugar and your softened butter at room temperature in a bowl and give that a whisk. Later on, I'm going to be moving on to a stand mixer to make everything a bit easier. So you'll see me starting to mix, and it's quite hard, so I moved to a stand mixer and everything is mixed up, and I'm going to crack in my first egg, and I'm going to mix it really well until I add in my second egg. So just see me mixing it in with my stand mixer. And remember, if you don't have a stand mixer, you can always use a hand mixer or a hand whisk. Now I'm going to add in my second egg, as you can see right now. And I'm going to give that a good stir. So this take was kind of a fail because we were trying to fix something and it just kept zooming in and out, but I did add my vanilla extract. So now I'm going to mix in all of my dry ingredients together, and in my bowl I already have my salt and my flour. To that I'm going to add my baking soda and my baking powder. And then I'm just going to give that all a whisk to combine. I'm going to mix that until it's fully combined. So now I took it over to my wet ingredients, and I'm going to add a little bit at a time. Although you don't have to add a little bit at a time. It was just kind of hard for me to pour in everything at once. So I was just adding it a little bit at a time, but if you watch the original video at the end of this slideshow, then you'll see that she just added everything at once. So after everything was done mixing, I scraped down the sides to get all the dry ingredients into the mix, and so I know everything is fully incorporated. So you'll just see this clip of me scraping down the sides of the bowl. So I took my bowl out of the stand mixer, and now I'm going to divide the batter equally into 6 bowls. So you'll see me doing that, and after this we're going to color them the colors of the rainbow. Okay, so now I'm going to start coloring. And I have everything divided as even as possible. It doesn't have to be super even. So I'm going to start with my red. And I'm going to add a couple of drops, like I added 2. I'm going to give that a good stir. I added 2 because the food coloring was dark red. And so I just wanted a nice vibrant red, so I just added 2. So do that to all the colors of your rainbow, and now you want to scoop all of the batter, the colorful batter, into your mug, a little spoon at a time, or you can just put everything all at once. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 45 seconds. So it came out. Since this mug was quite big, I'm going to do it for another 45 seconds. I'm doing this because it didn't cook all the way through. So this is the finished product, and I gotta say it came out really good. It was delicious. It was beyond what I thought it would taste like, honestly. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a try for yourself. Thank you.